Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob. We've got some breaking tool news. You know how sometimes a tool comes along that you definitely don't need, but you also definitely need it? RIDGID has you covered. Let's go. This is the all-new RIDGID Pipe Saw, which fairly predictably saws pipe. But not just any pipe. This portable powerhouse of potential can cut through 1-inch to 12-inch pipe with up to 1/2 inch wall thickness. That boy is thick! It's configured to cut steel and stainless steel, and with a quick switch to one of its optional blades, it can cut plastic and cast steel as well. A tool this portable and this capable means leaving behind things like gas tanks, open flames, and loose tools. I said tools. The saw secures to the pipe with a rugged 3-point roller system, finishing the big jobs in just a few minutes. And best of all, it's backed by RIDGID's full lifetime warranty. The saw will be available soon with either a 1-inch to 6-inch clamp for $3,248.96 or a 6-inch to 12-inch clamp for $3,522.64. Save your pennies, boys.